Hello children, Putlam Education Network welcomes you all. I am SL Fatima Afla from Zahira College, Putlam. Let's describe graphs and charts. There are many types of graphs and charts. There are pie charts, there are bar graphs, there are line graphs and scatter, and finally there are tables. But remember children, all these graphs and charts, they represent a collection of data. Moving to the introduction session, we are going to see the first example. Example number 1. On the screen, you can see a graph here. So I am going to give you some sentences about this graph. The very first sentence I have given is, it is a bar graph. So you can see there are 4 bars and it is the structure of a bar graph. So we can introduce this bar graph. We can introduce this graph. It is a bar graph. And there are 4 types of genres mentioned. So I took this one from here. Altogether, there are 4 types of books mentioned here. Nearly 500 poetry books were sold last year. So this information I got from here. Altogether, there are 500s. Nearly 500 poetry books were sold last year. The most popular genre is novel. So this sentence, I got it from here. Novels, we can see that is the highest one. So the most popular genre is novel. It is nearly 4,500. People love to read novels more than history books. So in this case, we have used the word than. So we can see that it is used to compare 2 things. So I have taken this one novel and this one history. So novel is more than history. The vertical axis shows the number of books sold. So if we take the vertical axis, which is here, so that says the number of books sold. The horizontal axis shows the types of books. So where could you find the horizontal axis here? It is here. So altogether, there are some sentences we have discussed now. So moving to the second example, take a look at this graph. Like a former one, this one also a bar graph, children. So let's put this bar graph, let's describe this bar graph. This chart shows, so for this sentence, we have to pick the answer from the topic of the graph. So I am going to pick the answer, birthday of students by month. The vertical axis shows. So altogether you have seen that one. Already you have seen that answer. So vertical axis is here. So I am giving the answer. The vertical axis shows number of students. And on the other hand, the horizontal axis shows months. Okay, now we are moving to the next one. The number of months given is. So we have to see the total number of months. So you know that one. The answer is 12. And most of the students were born in. Most. So in this graph, children, the most is in the month of June. Remember, you can also put this sentence like this. Maximum number of students were born in June. This one also correct. Now we have talked about the most. Now we have to think about the small number. A small number of students were born in August. You can also put this sentence. The minority of the students were born in August as well. The number of students born in July is less than the number of students born in September. The number of students born in May and October are equal. For the words the highest number, the opposite words can be the least number. If we have come across the maximum, minimum is the opposite. For the words large number, small number is the opposite. Majority, we have to use the word minority. And again, most, we can give the word least. Now it's practice session. We are going to practice this one. So earlier we have seen bar graphs. So now we are moving to pie charts. So let's simplify this pie chart. Banana, which is 30%, apple, which is 25%, mango, 20%, orange, 15%, wood apple, 10%. Altogether there are 5 fruits here, and the highest one is the banana and the lowest one is the wood apple. Okay, now to this one, let's write an introduction. Okay, now you can pause your video here and try to answer these. This pie chart shows the favorite fruits of grade 11E students of Zaira College. There are 5 fruits mentioned. They are orange, wood apple, banana, apple, and finally mango. Hope you have got the answers correctly. Again, you can pause this video and try to fill these blanks. Okay, now time up. 30% of students like banana. Only 10% of the students prefer wood apple. Orange is preferred by 15% of the students. Mango and apple were chosen by 20% and 25% respectively. These are the answers, children. So let's take another 20 seconds to answer these 2 blanks, to fill these 2 blanks. Time up. The most preferred fruit is banana and the least preferred fruit is wood apple. The percentage of students who like mangoes is less than the percentage of students who like apples. These are the answers.